There you are.
Okay, right. We're gonna do a prank. Here's the cat.
Rowan's doing the camera. I'm gonna do the talking. He's gonna come in later. It's gonna be brilliant. Let's go. We've got a hidden camera.
We'll show you the hidden camera at the end.
Yeah, go on, guys. Shit.
Okay, this is scary.
Rowan, just make sure that no one can see the back of it.
We will show you the hidden camera.
Okay, make sure no one can see the back of it though.
At the end, we'll show you.
Hold it against your chair. That's it.
Okay. Okay, I'll go and find it. Just look. This is.
Have you seen it at all?
Let's go see if they see.
Look round.
Where is it? Hi. Have you seen our cat? It's our family cat, and it's lost.
Hungry in order because we didn't shut the gate. And,
Yeah.
There it is!
Aww.
Yeah!
Yay! You
Boy.
found
Yes! Good boy!
Oh, thanks.
Thank you!
Good boy. It's so good. Okay, I'm just gonna show.
Yeah, basically this is how we hid the camera.
Yeah. You see, this is the back of a picture frame. That's the picture of our cat. This is the back of the picture frame, and we put the camera in here. You could then see out there.